Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Apple White from After Hike and Trust to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to change the toggle to back and remove all the flowers. And then you're going to make it this color. And then this hair, you're going to make it this color and put on this ribbon. Make it this color and make it glitter, and you can choose to gold too. And then this necklace, make it gold and choose to gold too. And then this necklace from the cards item, you're going to make it gold. And this bracelet from the Valentine's update, make it gold. And I'm going to put on this corset right here, this one guys, and then we're going to color it with this red color. This is for the color code, and then I'm going to make them all red. Okay, like this, and then we're going to put on this item. And the next one guys, we're going to go to the dressing room, and from the dressing room I'm going to choose the currency items, put on this card, and then we're going to choose no pose. Okay, for this card you're going to color it like this, red and then gold and red and then this color, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, you're going to put on the strawberry dress. For the strawberry dress, you're going to choose sleeves only, and then color it with this color. This one, this is for the color code, and then color it gold. And then we're going to make it glitter. And then we're going to put on the sleeves from Madoka set, and I'm going to color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the third selection, we're going to make it this color again. And for the fourth selection, color it gold. Fifth selection and also the last selection. For the last selection, make it this color. And then you're going to make them glitter. And then go to the petal update, then put on this heel. And then you're going to make it red for the first selection. And for the second selection, make it gold. And for the last selection as well. Okay, and then I'm going to put on apple. Okay, and for the apple, I'm going to make it red. And I'm going to change the material to silk. Okay, done guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Apple White from After Hike and Trust to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.